Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting your iPhone to CarPlay so navigation is available instantly. Start with a cable if wireless hasn't been paired. This reduces interruptions and ensures maps load quickly. Once connected, open the Maps or Preferred Navigation app on the CarPlay home screen. This mirrors only the app interface, not your whole phone. Make sure location services are enabled on your phone so routing and traffic data are accurate. After this step, you're ready to enter a destination and start guidance. Now you'll input and refine your route so navigation matches your preferences. Tap the Maps app and type an address or press, and hold the voice button to ask Siri for hands-free entry. This keeps your eyes on the road. Once a destination appears, compare suggested routes and pick the one that best balances ETA and traffic. Choose avoid tolls or highways if needed. Make sure lane guidance and voice volume are set to your comfort level. Then press Start to begin step-by-step directions. You follow turn prompts and watch the CarPlay display for upcoming maneuvers. This ensures safer, anticipatory driving. If traffic forces a reroute, CarPlay updates automatically. Make sure you allow recalculation. If you prefer a different path, tap an alternate or remove waypoints and set a new route. If navigation freezes or disconnects, first check the cable and restart the phone, then toggle CarPlay in settings and rejoin the vehicle. This usually fixes common connection or map refresh glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.